this lecture we'll take a look at the loops in JavaScript. And JavaScript basically has a couple of loop types. What you have is a for loop and then a while loop. In this example we have a couple of implementations of these two loops, okay? Not something to be really run, but just to be looked at. There's not much to see. As you can see, the for loop is the general standard. You have your I variable, your number variable, right? And then you have the condition, so I less than 5. And then you have your increment, and that's it. And in this particular example, I've added a console log just so you can see how it would possibly work. In this case, it would display numbers from 0 to 4. Okay, so that's all there is to it. And then the while loop is just a normal while loop. We have in this case a variable a declared, and then we have a less than 30, that's our condition. And then we have a plus 5 on every cycle. And that is how the loops in JavaScript work. And with that, we will conclude this lecture.